Hello, family. Now, this current situation about the vote of no confidence, me no care which part of the house gets the prime minister seat. It's everybody's seat. It's not somebody's personal birthright. Okay. But my point here is, you want him side the house you kiss him this la prime minister seat. I just want I just want you guys to just please make sure that you mix some manufacturing blue me come back and look Papua New Guinea. Yeah, Papua New Guinea. Why me to go same? And because now you look him, government blue me, opposition blue me. All talk this la, all races lo power go come, this la side like sim power. Also team talk go this la side like sim power. You may talk plenty go come now, you may fight against you may stop. But what's the cost of all this? Country no got money. Country short lo money. You may walk in loan go plenty. And who did this? You see, Papua New Guinea, you look him. Over export blame you gold, gas, silver, one you may make him export stop here. Yet you may no got money. Please, Papua New Guinea. You compare him Dubai. They only have oil. Papua New Guinea, we have everything, but yet we are fucking poor. Yo, that's the reason why I said, me no care which side of the house can kiss him prime minister seat. If prime minister kiss him back to, I'm alright. Opposition kiss him back to, I'm alright. Okay, my point is, please, how by you one M side of the house you kiss him prime minister seat, please. This take back PNG tema, please don't let it down because we have to take back PNG, really. You see, now with currency blue me, Papua New Guinea, Kina and Toya, big pla, value it's being devalued. Value currency drop big plan. Price blow kaya los tua increase na. This law please, you may need law. Carry back. Factory blow making money blue me, come lo country blue me back na. You may making money blue. You may larim na currency blue me Narabla country gain control na. Produce blue me stop na. Awol interact na alter currency blue me all put him and blow li antablo dislana. You may who make him face him sila kind money shortage na cash crisis na one stuff. Please, but me still making plenty video on this topic further explain him go more because I have some things to say. Thank you very much. Much love and stay blessed. Kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little brothers that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. That's what I say. What do I want pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams. Yeah. Oh.